Well, let's talk about today. The business of fun.
Yeah.
But that wasn't the highlight. It was great. But just this agentic
That was
transformation.
the highlight. The agentic is the highlight, for sure.
Fuck. For me, it's really hard to even describe the magnitude of what I'm feeling with the volume, quality, nature of what we're doing.
It's the first time that people believe it. AI has always been this sort of mystery. People were saying that everyone else can't quite get it right. They're starting to say it's not going to work, and the trough of disillusionment and all that good stuff. And now they're like, oh my gosh, you did it.
We did it.
It was a surprise that we actually could deliver on this promise of agency for AI where it can actually do useful things for their business.
Security.
With security for their casinos.
Yeah.
We finally crossed that threshold.
Well, I was sitting there looking at QCI Agent, showing people what we're doing, and just thinking, every single one of you that are using our tech today can just turn this on.
Yep.
A full agentic, security-controlled, private solution. Unfreaking believable. The magnitude of it. And by the way, you called it.
I did.
You called it. I was like, I'm not sure. What's MCP? Okay, well, I'll go with it. And then I kind of came to me, I'm like, oh my God.
As usual, you ran with it. I called it, you ran with it.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
And QCI Resorts, I spent an hour and a half with a very senior guy, tech guy today. And I spent 20 minutes showing him the software. And an hour and 10 minutes showing him the scaffolding. And at the start, I think he thought I was showing him a demo.
Yeah.
By the time we finished with the scaffolding, he was like, okay, how do I get on board with this? This is a total revolution in how tech is delivered.
Yeah.
It's complete.
Yeah.
And we've done it.
Yeah, you saw the vision.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, and it's delivered.
And it works.
So for me, I was more, people are trying to grasp the difference between chat analytics and AI, and agent, right? And what's great is they understood it. Like,
God, it's going to take time. And by the way, it's right at the very limit of generative memory. Like this thing, it breaks and it tries again and it redirects and everything, all automatically.
That's right.
Which was, I don't know how you got that to work. How did you get that to work? Was it easy?
No, it was tricky. I had to learn a few new tricks.
Yeah, no, I
but that was the key piece. Honestly, the big change was when PowerPack had the feedback loop of the 1,000 tests, so you can know what worked and what didn't work.
Yeah,
and that's the key.
You should go back 23, right? Like 23, we released Copilot, and
this is 3 months after OpenAI launched.
March.
ChatGPT.
Yeah, ChatGPT Copilot for us.
February.
QCI Copilot. Was it February? Oh my God. Yeah, I remember the day I called you. I'm like, in March. Oh, was it December?
It was November.
November. Oh, the world is going to change. And what did you say?
No, you said the world has changed.
Oh, the world has changed. I was more definitive.
I said, you've said this to me before.
This time I was right.
And then you were absolutely correct.
Oh my God, I couldn't believe it when I saw it. I was like, this is it. Yeah. You know what really helped me? A long time ago, this is crazy. I went to this forestry seminar when I was just learning geospatial.
Okay.
And the guys there were doing this paper. They were presenting this white paper, or academic paper actually, on why people see things the same way even though they have different worldviews with regards to forestry.
Okay.
Right? Now, it was mind-blowing. They got a bunch of green, like, tree huggers, a group of normal people and a group of loggers, and they showed them all these pictures. And the extraordinary thing was they all saw the same aesthetic value. Whether the hill was clear felled, trees on it, or half covered, right? Everyone saw it the same way. They just had different value models, and it just I'll never forget that moment, and that idea that people are consistent in their own neural evaluation of things, yet we impose judgment on it, right? We impose free will on it.
Yeah.
And that's the secret of neural networks, and. Well, these guys at OpenAI, that's what they did. They just got humans to come in and train them. And I think they discovered what the forestry guys had discovered like last century.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
I never heard
But
that
a much
analogy
larger
before.
scale.
Yeah.
Much don't take it away. What they did was extraordinary.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, they changed the world.
They did indeed. Yeah. Well, what's next, Ralph?
Agent version 2. We're
Okay.
going to give it memory, short-term, long-term. It's going to sleep. It's going
I
to
think I'm going to
convert
build
memories.
we're going to build an entire agentic development platform. I got to figure it out now. Like, that's got to happen.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's the other half of it, though.
Yeah. There's two halves.
So it's the agent half for our customers, the agent half for our developers.
For ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing
Yeah.
both.
Yeah. I was when I was going through looking at what we've built out for resorts and how we've managed to capture essentially my skill and like every level of software development into an agentic engine and then do it, blew me away. But it wasn't just my skill. You know why not?
Why is that?
Because what I did, I cheated. I trained it on our software.
Oh, there you
So
go.
I used the stuff that you and I built together to train it and how to build software.
Yeah.
So really, it isn't mine. Really, it was ours. It was just our scaffolding, and our scaffolding, the way that we build software, just works in the agentic world.
That's right.
And I understand why.
Yeah.
Maybe we shouldn't say it's a secret. Right?
It is a secret.
Really, most not going to tell anyone.
Yeah, we don't want to talk about that too much.
Yeah. No, that's right. Yeah. And so, yeah, big changes. Like, I look at the site, the amount of things we're doing. Like, we have now got, and I figured out the math. We have every day we have approximately 10 programmers doing 100 days of work.
That's about right.
For every agentic program we have. So we're getting 1,000-person days, but it's fast. And it's the industrialization of development that is the most difficult to comprehend. Like, that's the thing that
Yeah, but the trick is, how do you manage it?
it's hard. It's got to be agentic.
It has to be.
It has to be agentic. There's no way a human can
Incredibly
manage this.
difficult to manage
Yeah.
these agents, and that's why most of these projects are failing. That's why we're succeeding. It's the management of it.
I know. Yeah, it's like managing a bunch of hooligans.
We've
It really
created
is.
a world where you and I have become project managers. How did we have to do
Of
that?
agentic farms.
Product managers of agentic farms. What have we done with ourselves?
Yeah, I showed someone today one of the things I built just as a side product. I just took the agentic engine, set up something, and built this incredibly sophisticated shopping app. Right? I know, and
Love that app.
I love it too. But what was extraordinary to me was it just looks so finished.
Yeah.
It was so easy.
That's because that's what they tackle first.
Well, the look, yeah, that's right. They're really good at it. They love to fake it. Man, do they fake it.
They
Oh my
love
God.
faking data. Synthetic
They-
data.
Oh shit, synthetic data. I think of all the things I've fought with over the last month or so of all this agentic program, synthetic data, I never want to have another freaking synthetic discussion with an agentic agent. I'm so done with them.
Yeah, well,
They're
I'm
so
sorry.
stupid. They're so insistent. We've got to make it look good. No, you don't. Okay.
Well, when we rebuild our own
No, I figured
agentic
out.
development platform, you won't have to hear them.
I'm completely there. We're going to fix that problem.
That's right.
Yeah.
Build it.
Well, I think there's a finish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.